back at you with another vlog. Today, me and Harper are having a nature day. These parks are finally opening up and we're able to get outside. Got Harper boo in the stroller and we are at the Arboretum. Harper walks now. So girl, you're gonna get out of the stroller. You're gonna use those little feet. What you say about that, huh? What you say about that? Harper's out here walking. So she likes rocks so much. So you got to eat all of this gravel, aren't you, girl? Girl, we haven't even started and you're already doing this. You're gonna have to walk so we can enjoy our day. I really have to push you in the stroller. Thank you. I'm sick. Come on. Look at all those flowers over there. Let's get moving. You cannot pick the flowers at the Arboretum. Back in the stroller you go, Harper son. I'm out here trying to enjoy this. She was trying to pick literally the very first flower she saw. Harper, there's supposed to be flowers per day. This is something I'm gonna look into planting in my yard because this is super cute and pretty. This is the new normal for enjoying the outdoors. I'm really glad I'm out here learning some new flower names. I'm really trying to get my yard like completely together. I love these purple flowers on this fence. All of that, these all over the side of my house. This is something I really like too. I want this in my house. This is only like my second time coming to the Arboretum. There's like a whole trail forest back in here. It's pretty nice. It's really vegetated. I like it. Okay, y'all, so me and Harper are popping a squat out here in the shade under these trees. We're about to have a little snack because that walk was pretty long for me. I didn't wear tennis shoes or sandals and I'm a little bit tired. Are you liking the outdoors? She had to bring her blanket today, being extra. Getting that good fresh air, aren't you? Well, it's such a blessing to just be able to be out here with my baby. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Just being able to take in nature. Just take in fresh air. Whew. I made her some muffins this morning, so that's what we're eating right now. What did you say? Girl, do you like that muffin or are you about to throw it in the grass? She hears that bird. You know what that bird's saying? Do you speak bird? Probably, because I don't know what you speak. You don't speak English, girl. But you got Harper a coffee bean. Now you're gonna go get your stick. You got your stick? You got a stick and a coffee bean. Stick and a coffee bean. Run over here. Now she's picking flowers. Finishing up our nature day. Harper, did you have a good time with the Arboretum? Yeah. Finishing up this glorious afternoon. Got to spend some time with God and spend some time with each other. Thank you all for watching my Nature Day vlog. Comment in the section below any questions or more info. Love you guys.